to Clean Coder YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, I'll highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel as I make content related to software engineering, system design, and data structures and algorithms. Hello everyone. So one of my friend, let's call him F. So he appeared for a tech interview at one of the FANG companies. So in one of the rounds, particularly problem solving and design rounds, he was asked this questions like which Java collections are thread safe and which are not. And he has mentioned in his resume that he knows Java very well. So the interviewer was interested to test his knowledge with these questions like which Java collections are thread safe or which are not. So I thought like why not make a complete tutorial covering these questions like which Java collections are thread safe and which are not. So I did some research and I collected some Stack Overflow answers and I'll be directly presenting those to you here. So if you want additional context, you can refer the Stack Overflow website from which I have picked these answers. So let's get started now. So there are three groups of collections mainly. So in Java 1.0, collections which were mostly legacy classes. These includes hash tables, vectors, stacks. These are synchronized, but I don't recommend you to use them. Properties is perhaps one exception, but I wouldn't use it in a multi-threaded context. Okay, so he kinds of wants to say that hash table, vector, and stack are synchronized, so they are thread safe. But again, he's not recommending us to use them. The reason is simple because this synchronized keyword, although it provides thread safety, it becomes a bottleneck in case of a multi-threaded environment. So he just wants to recommend us to not use them unnecessarily, since this would limit the concurrency our program would be achieving. So this is what he is trying to say. So in Java 1.2, collections were added in 1998, which largely replaced these collections. So these collections are not synchronized, but these can be synchronized using this collections dot synchronized, the name of the container methods. Okay, so collections dot synchronized hash map, collections dot synchronized array, collections dot synchronized list. So you can synchronize to any collection using this method. So you can obtain a thread safe collection by putting in a normal non-thread safe collection. So this will help you synchronize that collection. So these collections were added. This method was added in 1998 mainly. So in Java 5, concurrency collections were added in 2004 to support lock-free and thread-safe collections. So in short, he's telling that none of the collections he's recommended to use are synchronized. Okay, so let's read another answer. Okay, so thread safe collections which uses synchronized keyword, these are the ones. So concurrent hash map, synchronized hash map, okay, vector hash table, copy on write array list, and copy on write array set, and stack. These are a kind of synchronized, so they are thread safe, but like uh, these limits the performance also. So you need to be careful when you choose these collections, because they will have a hit on the performance if like they are using the complete synchronized keyword. So you can read the documentation of each of these collection in depth to have better idea of the kind of thread safety they provide. So like using logs in place of completely synchronizing is also a good approach. Like there are different types of locks which could be used, and the usage of locks might increase the concurrency a bit. So that's the kind of trade-off you need to make, or you need to decide before choosing these collections. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So you can refer these answers in this URL. So once again, thanks for watching this video.
Hey guys, do check out this Instagram channel, The Encoder Community, for all the jokes and memes related to software engineering. Thanks a lot.